Hello and welcome to Jebel Ali Hills. Today we are here at this newly constructed 6-bed plus maid's room plus driver's room plus office brand newly developed villa. Sitting on 10,400 square foot plot. The property's built up area is 7,500 square feet. We've got a double garage with the driver's room, which has its own bathroom. Parking to the front for up to 8 cars in front of the wall. You've got this sliding door here to allow more cars into the front of the property if required, and ample space here to create a pool if wanted as well. You also have the main gate there, some garden space to the side, and now we enter the property. So nice large entrance door, walking into a double-heighted ceiling living and dining area, again with a double-heighted ceiling leading up into the top floor. As we walk in from the main entrance, you take a right to one of the only rooms without an ensuite bathroom. This is the office. All ceiling heights, both on the ground floor and the first floor, are 3.4 meters high, allowing lots of natural light and an airy feel to the property. This is the ground floor bedroom. One of the smallest rooms as well, offering ample space. Space for built-in wardrobe as well. And every bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom with showers. Then we have the downstairs guest toilet area. Then leading towards the kitchen and maid's room. This is also a laundry with storage space. There is a private access for the maids from the back of the property, with easy access to the roof. This is the maid's room, centrally air conditioned with own ensuite. Then leading into a closed kitchen. Double space for an American style fridge freezer, back door, and pantry with even more storage space. The kitchen has some nice stone worktops, along with sleek design, soft closing cupboards, and some fitted appliances as well. As we head upstairs, you can see the amount of natural light flooding into this property, given the double-heighted ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows nearly on all sides of the property. Leading up to the first floor, this is what would be considered the family living space for the first floor area. To the upstairs living area, we have a nice, decently sized balcony overlooking the living room from the double-heighted ceiling area. Again, the sort of family upstairs entertainment area where you could possibly put a small kitchenette. Then we lead towards the 4 bedrooms at the back of the property, which are all the same sort of layout, except they are mirrored, but they are the same size. So typically as you walk in, you'd find fitted wardrobes. As I said, every bedroom has its own ensuite shower room. And these are the sizes of the bedrooms. So the bedrooms to the front of the property have got small balconies, whereas the bedrooms at the back just have the windows. Again, 3.4 meter ceiling heights. I'll just quickly show you the remaining 3 bedrooms to this side of the property. As I said, they're all the same. And then at the very back here, we've got some sort of a smaller office or reading area if you wanted. That leaves us then to go to the other side of the property where you'll find the master bedroom, a very large master bedroom with its own balcony as well. Walk-in wardrobe, and then leading on to the master ensuite. To the side of the property here is going to be a green strip, so there will be no villa joining on. Again, there are multiple parks scattered around this particular cluster, and the mall is literally a couple of hundred meters down that way. So walking into the walk-in wardrobe area, then leading into the master bathroom with space for a shower, the toilet, the vanity units, and storage area. That concludes our tour of this newly available 6-bed plus maids plus driver's room plus office. Jebel Ali Hills is a fast-growing area with lots of potential, given that you've got the Palm Jebel Ali coming, along with the Sheikh Maktoum Airport nearby, Disneyland approximately 45 minutes away, and obviously within Jebel Ali Hills itself, you've got the mall, which will be coming, the schools and the clinics, all of which are just going to keep adding capital appreciation to the property.